Namaskar friends, keep learning with Export Import Make in India campaign. And our today's topic is what is the working of production team in MNC company. So we know that many companies in world manufacture the product and sell in the international market. So behind this final product in any company, multiple departments work together and all department have a same objective to make the final efficient product for the customer. So all department work together. For example, in manufacturing company, the purchase team negotiate with the different supplier and buy the raw materials, and these raw materials will convert in the final product by the production team. Okay, then warehouse management team will store this product for the market. Then transport team will deliver this product to the customer. Okay, and the accounts team keep the record of payments in respect of the order. Okay, sales team search the customer in the market. Okay, so like a logistic team manage the orders from the customer. Okay, so we can say that the multiple departments in MNC company work together, and main objective of this department is only to get the final product to the customer right time. Okay, so we will understand in the session in the whole process of the MNC at the every stage of the department they work together and manufacture the product. So what is the main working of the production team? We will try to understand in this session. So main objective and main working of the production team is to make the product. Okay, so this product manufactures by the production team. Okay, and get a finished goods efficiently by the production team. Okay, so what is the working of this? The transforming the raw materials into final product efficiently. As efficiently means that as per the norms decided by the company, as per SOP decided by the company, they need to give the final product. Okay, so this manufacturing teams and production team will do this activity. So they also need to check out whether how much raw material is available. Okay, because this raw material will be converted into final product. So the line will not be stopped. So to keeping this point, they need to ensure to the warehouses that the product for the product raw material is available or not. Okay, other than this, they also check out the quality and all the things. So they have a different small sub teams in the production team, like a quality control team. Okay, so the quality control team ensure the product meet to the requirement standard and specification. Okay, so every company have a patterns of the final product efficiently check out. Okay, so every company check out this final product by helping of the quality control team. This quality control will check out the product and stick the sticker of the OK tested. Okay, then this product come in the warehouses and move for the next step like a market. So this quality control team check out all the things. Okay, regarding the specification and standard of the product. Now planning and scheduling team. Okay, so planning team manage the production schedule, okay, to meet the deadline. Just like any company manufacture the product to buy the shoe, they meet to customer and take the order from the customer. So for this order, they need to give the deadline that at this time, before this time, this material need to be delivered to the customer. So this planning and managing the production schedule handled by this planning and scheduling team. Okay. So this team is also very important in this. Now equipment maintenance team. Equipment and maintenance team is the like engineers and other executive. They handle and check out the machinery is working properly or not. Okay, so they maintain machinery. Okay, they maintain machineries and equipment for the uninterrupted operations. Okay, so in production team, the engineers and other executive check the machine properly and time to time they check out. Okay, so after checking, they verified the goods and things that all process working is as per SOP or not. Okay, just like a machinery is any machinery faults may will not give the final product at optimum level or efficient level, so they need to check out this equipment maintenance team will do these activities. Now process optimization. Okay, so process optimization means that this process need to be optimized. Optimize means they improving the working procedure. So how to improving the workflow of this process and to enhance the productivity and reduce the cost. This process optimization team check out the parameters and analysis the things with the at which stage we can reduce the cost of these activities. Okay, so how they can enhance the productivity of the production, they check out such points and improve the workflow. Okay, basis on the requirement. Now safety compliance is the safety compliance which at the line the manpower working and need to follow the safety rules, so they ensure the safe working environment. Okay, because that any accident can happen in the production line, then it will be problem. Okay, so first they need to check out whether then dress code decided by companies wearing all manpower or not, like safety shoes, cap and other gloves and earbuds. So these things need to be checked out with the safety compliance team, and only if they follow the instructions, then only they need to be enter in the production floor. Okay, now protocols, they awareness to the protocols. Okay, that they now the role of critical and delivery of high quality product on time and minimize the cost. So main role is the production team is that their role is critical delivery. Okay, in the high quality product on time while minimize the cost. Okay, so guys, we have tried to understand that how the production team work and how the production teams sub teams maintain the things like a we have check out that manufacturing team have a quality control team, planning scheduling teams, equipment maintenance teams, okay, process optimization team, okay, and safety and compliance team. So these are the part of production teams. So any company work as for following this collaboration with this different teams to get the company's objective. Okay, so guys, we are just going to end this session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.